Victor Alpha 3, Alpha Charlie Oscar.
The Oscar station, come back with your call sign again.
Yeah, I just have one radio check there. This is Victor Alpha 3, Alpha Charlie Oscar. Name here is Angelo. We're located just northwest of Toronto up here in Canada, over.
Roger that, roger that. My Canadian friend. What radio are you running, sir?
I'm on a Flex here on a 6400.
Roger, roger on the Flex 6400. And let's see here. So I still didn't get all that call sign. I've got VA3. Give me the rest.
Alpha Charlie Oscar.
I got you there. I got you there. And you're near where?
Just northwest of Toronto, up here in Canada.
Downtown Pittsburgh. I've worked you many times on many different radios. I'm in downtown Pittsburgh, mobile, getting ready to go into another tunnel. When I first heard you, you were very strong, but you probably got back to me in the tunnel, and I didn't hear you. So I'm in downtown Pittsburgh, going under big bridges and getting ready to go into the tunnel. So there you have it. Over.
All right, I got you, man. You were right in somebody else's Qso, but I understand in a mobile you got to take your shot when you can. So I got you there going into those overpasses and underpasses and all that stuff up around Pittsburgh. That mobile is doing you a fine job. And so if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor, you will find your mobile on my group Aircheck 8919. 8919. Roger?
Roger.
And so much for that. Back to VA3ACO.
Okay, sorry about that. I didn't know there was another station in there. I didn't hear anybody. By hearing you fine there, no problem at all. Hope you hear me okay there. Trying to the roof antenna here on 80 meters there.
Tuning not too bad there, over.
Roger. Now I just switched over to my local antenna instead of going through the Milford PA SDR, and I'm catching you at about 10 dB over my noise level. So tell me about your antenna system.
Okay, very good. So just an 80-meter loop, and it seems to work also on 40 meters here. It works quite well there. I got a 4-to-1 current balance, and I got about 130 feet of coax to the jack here, and running, trying out this solid-state amplifier here from Polestar, running about roughly between, let me see what we got here, between 600 and 700 watts there, over.
Roger, yes, 10 dB over my noise level. Now, if you would like to be a little bit fatter, we suggest running that compressor at about a 3 out of 10. Just barely in there, but it does serve the purpose of fattening the signal. You don't hear it working, but it is working its magic. So if you would be interested in fattening up just a tad on your audio, that compressor 3 out of 10, and then move to the ALC meter and do a mid-scale to 2/3 setup with your mic gain on that ALC meter. Roger?
Yeah, okay, I'm not too familiar with this here yet, and slowly getting used to this. I'm new to the SDR stuff there, over.
Roger, if you've got a pencil and a paper, maybe take notes and then do it at your leisure. First, engage your compressor at a 3 out of 10. Engage the compressor at a 3 out of 10, then move to your ALC meter, and with a mic gain in hand and speaking in a normal voice level, adjust that ALC meter by using your mic gain to where the ALC meter is running mid-scale to 2/3, mid-scale to 2/3 on the ALC meter. Roger?
Yeah, roger that. Okay. I did just on this one here, it's got, okay, I'll have to go in the menu there and go in the ALC there. Okay, very good. Well, I marked that down, and I'll give it a shot, and we'll try to check back in here again and see what it sounds like. Over.
Roger, yeah, and your EQ on your mic is just perfect. You wouldn't have to do any re-EQing there. I would just leave all that EQ. The mic just sounds beautiful. We just need to get it a little fatter.
Okay, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Thanks a lot. You're bombing in here also. I don't know where you're located, but big strong signal up here into Canada. Go ahead.
Roger, we're down around Louisville. We're just across the Ohio River from Louisville, Kentucky. Roger.
Okay, very good. Yeah, so you're southwest, pretty much southwest of me. Very good. Sounding real good up this way here in the Canada. I appreciate that, and thank you. I'll have to try check back in here, and I hope you remember what we sound like. 7-3, thank you very much. This is Victor Alpha 3, Alpha Charlie Oscar.
Roger, and the name was Angelo?
Roger.
Roger, Angelo. Yeah, if you get a chance, join us next Friday. We start at 3:30 Eastern Daylight Time and run till 5, air checking all the time. So if you want to hear what your radio sounds like, beautiful signal, go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9, Victor Kilo Victor. That will take you to our Qso-Vlog page. We have about 650 Qso-Vlogs at the moment, but on that page 1, you'll be looking for a Qso entitled My Group Air Check 8919. My Group Air Check 8919. Roger.
8919. Got that. Thank you very much. Okay.
Roger. Yes. Yeah. Just today's date. 8919. So 3's that way, and we'll catch you later, Angelo. You have a good evening, and maybe if all things are equal and the creeks don't rise, give us a shout next Friday at 3:30 Eastern Daylight Time. And so just to be sure, our time now is 4:31 or thereabouts. So 3's that way. This is KC9VKV and the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog page.